So Sage Intacct is a cloud-based solution that offers internet accounting. That's what the Intacct stands for. It really offers a whole suite of products and modules, from everything from general ledger all the way down to inventory, but it also encompasses things like revenue management, contracts, projects, so it really does facilitate the whole business. What we found is that it's an incredibly intuitive and easy to use product. When we first started to look at the solution, we couldn't believe how simple it actually was to set up and configure. Moreover, how quickly it is to actually install. So being a cloud-based product, it's off the shelf, there's no server to procure, there's no installation to do. It really is provisioned and almost ready to go as soon as you are. Also within the software, it has its own embedded financial report writer with its own set of financial reports, which can be easily embedded in dashboards, giving really easy view of how the business is performing across the whole either company or group of companies. It is also a multi-entity solution, so it can manage many different disparate businesses all sitting on the same platform, but then using the consolidation module to basically pull those all together to be able to produce a group performance report. Very, very, very impressive. What it also has is a whole suite of APIs which allow you to really easily integrate the product with other softwares that you may already have in the business or are planning to implement in future. That's also complemented by a whole suite of marketplace software providers which also have pre-built integrations into the Intacct software. So there really is no limit to the integration possibilities of the software itself.
So Sage Intacct is a complete finance solution, all delivered in the cloud. So there's no server, there's no IT department, and it's a product that can be managed by the finance team for the finance team. The reporting capabilities, Lorna and I have been using these solutions for, you won't believe it, but for a long period of time. We've got solutions, like Crystal Reports, SQL Server reporting services. You almost need a PhD to write reports in these sorts of products. But now with Sage Intacct, you can write financial reports, really, really strong, drillable financial reports in a really nice, intuitive user interface. And all that's just delivered out of the box.
Intacct's been in the UK for a couple of years, is that right? But it's not new, is it? The
platform's been around for sort of 10 to 15 years, so it was one of the first solutions to be built on a multi-tenanted cloud platform. So it's built for the internet right from the ground up, and that's one of the key selling points of the application. There's very, very few products out there of this size and scale that have been built from ground up to work in that environment, and I think that's one of the real key selling points for Sage Intacct.